Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Hey there, Cursive Superstars, and welcome to Master Cursive with Colors. I'm Miss Jackie, and very happy to be your teacher today. Our magical mission is an introduction to the cursive lowercase letters of M, N, and V. That's right, 3 amazing letters that help us make words like moon, night, and volcano. Now, before we can jump in, make sure you have your tools ready for the lesson. You will need 7 rainbow colors, and just gather whatever bright colors you can, and make sure you have 7 in all. You will also need workbook page 17 from your Master Cursive with Colors workbook. Now, if you need to gather these supplies, pause the video and go get them. I will wait here until you get back. Okay, are you ready for the magic to begin? Then follow me. The supplies for today's lesson are page 17 and the rainbow color crayons. Our letters today are M, N, and V. I call these my Humpty Dumpty letters because each one has a hump similar to a camel. M has 3 humps, N has 2, and V has 1. So let's get started with a we do. And if you could, please pick up your green crayon and let's follow the directions for video lesson 4. And the first thing we need to do is put our name on it. I'm going to write Miss Jackie. You can write anything that goes with your name. Then it says to follow the video lessons and complete each letter's proper formation. We now know that today is rainbow writing, and rainbow writing needs to start with all the start dots. So for M, let's take our green crayon and mark each start dot, which is on the baseline. And then let's take our yellow, and I'm going to show you that in these letters there is no pause. So let's put the yellow back. That's different. And then let's take our red. So we have a start spot for M, N, and V, and we have a stop dot for M, N, and V. We do not pause along the way. And I notice here that V has a red dot up in the air, similar to the O. Now what I'd like you to do is take your red marker, hold it in your hand, and listen as I explain how to write M. I will do it once, and then I will ask you to join me. So I am going to tilt my paper. As we already know, we tilt paper to help us slant. I tilt to the right. Here I go for letter M. I start on the baseline, and I ramp up and make a hump and come down to the baseline. Then I pop back up, make another hump, and I come down to the baseline, and I go right back up. I make a third hump, and I come to the baseline and curve up for a connector. That's a lot of Humpty Dumpties in our letter M. What I'd like you to do is to join me with a we do. So take your red marker, let's go to the green dot, and let's follow with me. Let's ramp up and curve over for 1 hump. Go straight down to the baseline. Come straight up, make another hump. Come straight down to the baseline. Go back up, make the 3rd hump, go to the baseline, and curve up for its connector. Nice job. In rainbow writing, we follow the colors of the rainbow. So our next color is orange. So let's take orange, go to the start dot, and away we go. Let's ramp up, curve for 1 hump, down, up, 2 humps, down, up, 3 humps, and curve for the connector. Well done. Now I'm going to take my yellow, and please do this with me. Here we go. Ramp up and make 1 hump, 2 humps, and 3 humps. I notice my whole arm is moving in rainbow colors. We push the whole elbow and arm to make the shape. Now what I would like you to do is finish the letter on your own. If you need to watch me, feel free. Go through the rest of your rainbow colors. G for green, blue, indigo, and violet. And away we go. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. I will work while you work. How'd you do? Mine's looking mighty fine. I'm going to finish with a little pass or two of my writing finger, feeling the crayon's texture for M. 1 hump, 2 hump, 3 hump, M. All right, I'd like to change to I do, and let's go to letter N. I'm going to show you how we form letter N. It's very similar to M. I'm going to start on the green dot, and I'm going to ramp up and make 1 hump and go down, and then up and another hump, come down and make the connector. So there's only 2 humps on N. I'd like you to join me with your red. Let's bring it down here to the start dot, and ready, here we go. Ramp up and make a Humpty Dumpty, come straight down, go up, make a curving Humpty Dumpty, and down to the baseline and make its connector. Well done. All right, let's do orange together. And on the green dot, here we go. We go up and Humpty Dumpty once, all the way down, and Humpty Dumpty twice, and all the way to the connector. Okay, I'm going to go to my third color in rainbow colors, which is yellow, and please do it with me. Ramp up and curve, down, up and curve, down, and curve up for the connector. Nice job. Please move on to you do, where you will finish the rest of the rainbow colors, and I will work while you work. If you need to pause the video, please do. I'm very proud of my N. I'm going to finish with some texture feels all the way through the N. Start where the green dot is and go up and over once and up and over twice, and then the connector. So we have M and N. What I'd like to do now is show you our very next letter. So we are on an I do. If you need to pause this video because we're going too fast, just pause and catch up and play it when you're all set. Now I'm going to take my red, because that's the color I always start with. I'm going to put it on the green dot, and I'm going to ramp up and make a Humpty Dumpty, come down to the baseline and make a curve and go all the way up, and then make a little bridge, almost like a walking bridge, like a hand reaching out to connect to the next letter. That is the letter V. Please take your red and follow with me. Here we go for a we do. Start on the green dot and ramp up and turn a Humpty Dumpty down and then curve along the baseline, move up, and then reach out for that connector. Nice job. Whoopsie daisy. That happens. If at first I don't succeed, I will try again. Let's take our orange and ready? Work with me. Ramp up and curve over. Come to the baseline, curve up, all the way up, and reach out for the connector bridge. Nice job. Now let's do yellow together. Let's start at the green dot and ramp up and hump over. Come all the way down, curve up to the connector, bridge out and over. Nice job. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is take the rest of your rainbow colors one at a time and finish the practice for each letter. Keep your crayon on the road. Make sure your arm and elbow are pushing for the proper formation. I will work while you work. You do. I'm very pleased with mine. What I'd like to do now is I would like to show you a tiny little trick that helps me know how many Humpty Dumptys to put on M or N. And this is how I do it. I think of M with the 3 humps, and I just know that there's 1, 2, 3, and 3 rhymes with me, and that starts with an M. 1, 2, 3, I like me. There I go. So 3 and me rhyme, and that helps me to know that M gets 3 humps. And N, I think of the word no. N, O, spells no. And I know that no is a 2-letter word. That's just a little trick for me, and maybe it would help you too. Well done. Hats off to you, Cursive creators. Today, we practice proper letter formation with rainbow writing and big, bold strokes. Keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, practice makes progress, and your cursive and confidence blossom with every try. I'm proud of you, not just for what you've done, but for the writer you are becoming. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time for more loopy-doopy letter fun. See you soon.